Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos of Goa. In this video, I am going to discuss about red light area in Goa. Watch this video till the end so that you can get full information about Goa and real information about Goa. First, I want to tell you there is many beautiful places in Goa. If you want to visit, you should visit there like Tito's, Baga Beach, Kalangut, Club Cabana and all. If you wanna visit fort, there is many fort, Chapora, Aguada and all. If you want to visit casino, there is many casino like Big Daddy, Casino Royal, Deltin Casino, Casino Pride and all. There is many beautiful places in Goa and you can visit and you can enjoy there. If I want to tell you, first watch this clip carefully. After that, I will tell you about red light area in Goa.
How much is that? I'll tell you what I paid before.
Only one or you buy two?
Only one.
Okay, how much?
I'll tell you what I paid before.
200?
200, yeah.
This is no different.
It is.
Okay, 400.
No, I cannot.
Okay, what's a little more? One more
Okay.
time. Okay, you give me this, you buy free, you buy, give me this camera for me. Okay?
What?
You give me this camera.
200.
300.
No, I cannot. I cannot.
This is not my cost, 200. This is night market. I'm paying here 3,000 for one night.
So I come see you Wednesday at Engine.
I know go Wednesday.
Shoba, if you come to the night market in Goa,
Yeah?
come see Shoba. She charge you 300 for a shirt for 200.
I hope you are watching this clip. My friend Harry Potter uploaded this video. I think he's from another country. He's speaking English very well. Maybe he's from Britain, he's from any other country. But I want to tell you this is the famous Saturday night market in Goa, which is located nearby Baga Beach. I can say this location is Arpora and Arpora is very close to Baga Beach. Harry Potter said this is the red light area as I saw his title, but this is wrong. You can also get a lot of video in YouTube like this, but I live in Goa since last 10 years. I saw many cases regarding this type of fraud. I wanna tell you there is nothing like this in Goa. And there is no such type of area in Goa. If you are thinking foreigners also do this type of job in Goa, you are totally wrong. During your Goa visit, few people will meet you and will say, I will provide you foreigner girls. Let's go with me. Don't go with them. Many cases happen this type of in Goa. It's reason I wanna suggest you come with your GF and go to dance club, casino, pub. Where you want to go, you can go drink and dance freely. But don't search red light area in Goa. At last, I wanna tell you, if you want to know more about Goa, please comment below so that I can reply you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.